What is the Milestone VLM? The Milestone Visual Language Model, or VLM, is a generative AI solution that provides text description of a video clip based on a natural language prompt. The VLM is fine-tuned on many tens of thousands of hours of compliantly sourced video data. In the same way as large language models can answer queries on large volumes of text data, the Milestone VLM can produce an accurate and meaningful response to queries on large volumes of video data. The VLM can be used to automate the generation of reports, validate false positive detections from standard AI solutions, and provide rich text descriptions of complex scenarios. Video summarization for Milestone XProtect. The VLM is available as a plugin for Milestone's video management system XProtect. This allows simple integration into an existing video surveillance infrastructure for XProtect users. However, the VLM is also platform agnostic and allows integration into third-party systems via a standard RESTful API. Additionally, we also provide a VLM gateway application that provides prompt management, access controls, usage statistics, and various other administrative functionality. Access to the VLM is permitted through a standard API key, which is entered into the gateway application. Users can add, delete, or modify prompts in the gateway application, and the changes are reflected immediately in the Smart Client Video Summarization tab. VLM in operation. In XProtect, the operator can configure events, alarms, and schedules using the rule engine in the XProtect management server. This allows the VLM to be called on a fixed frequency, or when an event is detected from another analytics application, or at the discretion of the operator. Validation of analytics. In this clip, we see a delivery truck is stopped at the side of the road, which constitutes an illegal parking in this city. A standard third-party analytics application detects this and reports a parking violation to an operator, who must then perform a manual check of the video to validate the detection. However, the city excludes various vehicles from this rule, for example, emergency vehicles, city maintenance operators, and delivery vehicles engaged in pickup or drop-off. In order to validate these detections, we need a human in the loop who must evaluate each potential violation against the whitelist of exclusions. In this case, we can simply include a description of the whitelisted vehicle in the prompt. The VLM will recognize that this is in fact a false positive parking violation and provide a short output to confirm this. The alert or alarm can then be cancelled, negating the need for a manual evaluation, and the operator can use the recovered time to concentrate on other tasks. Here we see an unfortunate regular occurrence in this city, a collision between vehicles at an intersection. In this example, no people were injured, but it's clear there is significant damage to the vehicles involved. In these type of cases, the drivers and city authorities are obligated to provide written reports to the municipality, police, insurance companies, and other relevant parties. These reports then represent the evidence base that can be used to resolve insurance claims, collect statistic information about road infrastructure, or even in legal proceedings. Writing these reports requires expertise, training, and time, and even then, the results may be inconsistent between authors, and key details may be left out inadvertently. The Milestone VLM can be prompted to provide a rich description of the incident in a standard format with as much relevant information as possible included in the report. Here we see a general description of what happened before, during, and after the collision, a description of the vehicles involved, and an estimate of the probable cause of the accident. The VLM output can then be consumed in an accident reporting system so that the majority of the information is filled out. The authority is then tasked with validating and approving the report rather than writing it from scratch. Not only does this approach save time, it also means that the overall consistency and quality of the reporting will be higher. It is as though an accident reporting specialist will now write all of the reports for the city using the same style and tone, with the same level of detail, and in a format which can be integrated into regular operations. The Milestone VLM is available as a fine-tuned model for US traffic, with an EU version coming soon. It provides a level of automated intelligence beyond the capability of current state-of-the-art CNN-based analytics in an easy-to-install and familiar application interface. If you're interested in trialing the VLM in your city or for your customers, or if you wish to explore partnerships and collaboration opportunities, or simply wish to hear more about the Milestone VLM, please do not hesitate to contact us. Milestone VLM, ethical and responsible cutting-edge AI for smart cities.